it's time to talk about values. I'm not talking about those situational values that we may change or adapt depending on our circumstance at that time. I'm talking about those core values, those non-negotiable principles by which you want to live your life, by which you want to be known, those core values on which you will not compromise. Because if you do that, you're settling, maybe even selling out. Best-selling author Jim Collins, he studied executives in high-performing companies over the course of decades, and he found that it's not so important what those core values are. It's important that you have those core values that will not change. And when you take those values and you pair them with a clearly defined vision, my friends, you are bulletproof. You'll not only head toward that destination without getting distracted, you'll do it in a way that makes you proud, that makes you fulfilled. My top values are family, fun, faith, emotional well-being, and health. So I challenge you right now, define your top 5 core, uncompromising, non-negotiable values.